Do you ever wish that you had more time to do the things that you love, such as spending more time with your family, going on vacation, buying the things that you want, but there's one thing stopping you? You don't have enough money to do it. But what if there was a way that you can have more time and more money? I'm going to show you 8 realistic ways that you can make more money without having to give out more time for your money. So make sure that you stick around until the end of this video. People always say that you cannot buy time, when actually that's not exactly true, because more money can afford you more time. What I'm going to be doing is showing you different ways that you can start creating revenue without having to exert more effort and giving up more of your time, which you don't already have, in order to make a sustainable income. By the way, my name is Diamond Chanel, and on this channel we talk about all things money, and specifically I teach you different ways and give you different opportunities of how you can earn money directly from your home. I'm going to give you 8 different ways that you can make your life easier and make your bank account larger. Okay, let's get into it. Idea number 1 is going to be through digital products. The main example of digital products that you probably hear over and over again are ebooks and courses. Let me just say that there are so many other examples of digital products that you can create in very little time to start earning money. So for an example, there are digital templates, video content, music, audio, photography, digital art, digital graphics, apps, and different softwares that you can create. But the list goes on and on for the type of digital products that you can sell in order to make extra income. And I have plenty of videos on that. And with digital products, you don't have to have any type of inventory. You can literally start your digital product business with $0 to $50, just depending on what it is that you're going to be selling. The second idea is going to be creating a content management agency. And don't worry, you don't even have to have any skills to get this started. A content management agency will cover many different services that you can do for people who are interested in creating content or who are already creating content, but you want to target businesses specifically. Most businesses already know that they have to be on social media in order to stay connected with their audience and to continuously boost their sales. You can do anything from social media management, copywriting, video editing, community management, ideas creation, email marketing, and anything else that would cover the basis of creating content. But this is how you can make money as an agency without having any real skills. What you can do is something called freelancing arbitrage. All you need to do is find a client who needs a particular content service done. And let's just use this for an example. Offer them a $500 a month package. What you're going to do then is take the $500 that they've given you, go over to Fiverr or go over to Upwork and pay a freelancer cheaper than $500 to then perform those same services that you're going to do for that business. And listen, this is what all agencies pretty much do. Agencies act as the middleman. They find the customer, connect the customer with the right person to fulfill that need, and then they get paid the difference. Now, idea number 3 is going to be starting any type of e-commerce store. Selling physical products online is a really great way to start making money, especially if you can find a niche with high demand and low competition. And you can use different tools such as Google Trends in order to do this. There are so many people that are in the e-commerce sectors that are newbies, but they find a product, they start selling it, and they end up bringing in millions of dollars in revenue. Idea number 4 is going to be one of the easiest ways to make money with very little time. But before we get into that idea, all of this means nothing if you're not actually going to take action to make money. If you're actually serious about wanting to get back your time but also needing more money, then you need a reliable web hosting provider that can help you create a professional looking website without spending too much money. A website allows you to showcase your products or services and connect with different customers and reach a wider audience than ever before. And that's where Hostinger comes in. With their easy to use website builder, anyone can create a professional looking website in minutes without any real technical know-how. Their website builder features a drag and drop interface with hundreds of different customizable templates to help you create the perfect site for your needs. Plus, Hostinger offers reliable web hosting services to ensure that your site is fast, secure, and always online. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or you're just someone with a hobby trying to make money, building your website with Hostinger is going to be one of the best investments that you can make. When you use my exclusive promo code Diamond Chanel, I'll leave it here on the screen. The links are all in my description below. Let's get into idea number 4. Idea number 4 is all about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically is where you promote other people's product and you earn a commission off of this. This is, as you can imagine, super simple and takes a lot less time because you don't need to have any products whatsoever. All you need to do is find different websites that offer affiliate links, and you want to find reliable ones, and then you need to just share your link with other people. In the moment that they use your link to purchase a product from the affiliate brand, you're going to earn money and you'll earn a commission from this. Idea number 4 is going to be online coaching. If you are an expert in any type of field, you can offer online coaching services to people who need your expertise. Although if you're going to sell a coaching service, it is going to either take your time to create the service up front, or is going to take your time to sit down with customers to do this. However, what you're going to do is charge a lot more than what you are making from your 9-to-5 job. So for an example, you can charge people $100 to $200 per hour to sit down with you as you coach them through their issues. Idea number 6 is going to be podcasting. Starting a podcast can be a very lucrative business even if you don't have a large audience. You can monetize your podcast through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products. Use your podcast as a way to reach out to a particular audience and then sell them products or give them affiliate links that coincide with the topics that you talk about. It's pretty much a new thing with a lot less competition, but it has been getting a huge amount of attention and attraction. And actually, YouTube is creating another feature within its platform specifically for podcasting. Number 7 is virtual assistant services. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners are looking for help with administrative tasks like email management, scheduling, and research. You can help them with the mundane everyday tasks, then you can definitely make a lot of money. And just like what we were talking about with the content management agency, you can also create a virtual assistant agency where you hire out different virtual assistants, even from overseas, who charge much less, and then you keep the profit. The last idea is going to be creating a drop shipping business. There's usually 2 reactions when it comes to drop shipping. Either people get very excited or they get turned off immediately from the word because they don't understand what drop shipping is. Drop shipping is not a get rich quick scheme. It is simply a business model that works. This business model involves selling products online without holding any inventory, so you can simply create an online store and source products from suppliers who handle the shipping and fulfillment. Basically, you are selling products without ever having to see them, and it really is a great way to start earning some money and to get your feet wet and understanding the e-commerce sector without having to take a large amount of risk. And remember, you need a website to complete most of these designs, so head over to hostinger.com. The links are all in the description. Don't forget to use my promo code Diamond Chanel. If you made it to this part of the video, I want to give you a huge thank you and reward you by giving you some more money-making ideas that you could click on right here.